Question bank with answer of Discipline and Appeals Rule in Railways. Question 1. Which of the following rules of Railway Servants Discipline and Appeals Rules 1968 does specify the penalties? Options. A. Rule 9. B. Rule 11. C. Rule 6. D. None of these. Answer. C. Rule 6. Question 2. Board of Enquiry appointed by the Disciplinary Authority. Options. A. Not more than 5 members. B. Not less than 2 members. C. Not less than 3 members. D. Not more than 4 members. Answer. B. Not less than 2 members. Question 3. Which number of standard form is used for issuance of major penalty charge sheet on disciplinary proceedings? Options. A. SF 11. B. SF 7. C. SF 5. D. None of these. Answer. C. SF 5. Question 4. What would be correct procedure when a faulty charge sheet requires modification or addition? Options. A. Cancelling the earlier C sheet with reasons. B. Without cancelling, a fresh C sheet may be issued. C. Continue the proceedings. D. None of these. Answer. A. Cancelling the earlier C sheet with reasons. Question 5. Which of the following statement do bear the title of Discipline and Appeals Rule in Railways? Options. A. The Discipline and Appeal Rules, 1968. B. The Discipline and Appeal Rules, 1966. C. The Railway Servants, Discipline and Appeal, Rules, 1968. D. None of these. Answer. C. The Railway Servants, Discipline and Appeal, Rules, 1968. Question 6. What is the current date from which the Railway Servants Discipline and Appeals Rules 1968 came into force? Options. A. On the first day of January, 1968. B. On the 22nd day of August, 1968. C. On the first day of October, 1968. D. None of these. Answer. C. On the first day of October, 1968. Question 7. Who is the competent authority to make rule on Railway Servants Discipline and Appeals Rules? Options. A. President of India. B. Ministry of Railways. C. Member, Staff. D. Secretary Railway.bd. Answer. A. President of India. Question 8. If the disciplinary authority of a charged official is also involved in the same case, this case should dealt with by the options. A. Disciplinary Authority. B. Revising Authority. C. The next higher authority. D. None. Answer. C. The next higher authority. Question 9. Where appointing authority are not available, who should be treated as appointing authority? Options. A. Controlling Officer. B. DRM. C. GM. D. CPO. Answer. C. GM. Question 10. Disciplinary authority while passing orders for imposing a penalty should invariably pass. Options. A. Orders for penalty. B. Speaking order. C. None. Answer. B. Speaking order. Question 11. When casual labours can be governed under the Railway Disciplinary Rules. Options. A. After 4 months from engagement date. B. After 6 months from engagement date. C. After attaining temporary status. D. After regular absorption. Answer. C. After attaining temporary status. Question 12. Recognized trade union official can be allowed to act as defense counsel in discipline and appeals cases in. Options. A. 2 numbers of cases. B. 3 numbers of cases. C. 5 numbers of cases. D. Any number of cases. Answer. B. 3 numbers of cases. Question 13. Which is relevant rules in Railway Servants Discipline and Appeals Rules 1968 for common proceedings? Options. A. Rule 9. B. Rules 11. C. Rule 13. D. Rule 20. Answer. C. Rule 13. Question 14. Whether the disciplinary cases initiated against a railway servant and subsequently he is expired, his case should be. Options. A. Continue and finalized. B. Sent to Railway Board. C. Sent to GM. D. Closed. Answer. D. Closed. Question 15. Which of the standard form is required to be used for issuing the order of deemed suspension? Options. A. SF1. B. SF3. C. SF2. D. SF4. Answer. C. SF2. Question 16. How many annexures are attached with major penalty charge memorandum? Options. A. 2. B. 3. C. 5. D. 4. Answer. D. 4. Question 17. A railway servant punished with stoppage of increment simultaneously is going promotion to the next grade. The penalty will given effect to the options. A. Promotion of the grade for same period. B. But not result in greater monetary loss. C. Retrospective effect. Answer. A. Promotion of the grade for same period. Question 18. A person appointed directly to a post grade or time scale of pay can be reduced by way of punishment to a post in lower scale grade service or to a post which he never held before. Options. A. Yes. B. No. C. Can be reduced but his pay to be protected. D. None. Answer. B. No. Question 19. An acting railway servant can be allowed to act as defense counsel. Options. A. 2 number of cases. B. 3 number of cases. C. 4 number of cases. D. 5 number of cases. Answer. A. 2 number of cases. Question 20. How many cases are dealing a retired railway employee as a defense assistant at a time? Options: A. 5, B. 7, C. 3, D. None of above. Answer: B.